Do you feel like saving money is impossible because of your low income? Do you wonder how some people manage to build wealth even when they don't earn a lot? If so, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share practical and easy-to-follow tips on how you can save money even with a limited income. These tips will help you build financial security without sacrificing your basic needs. So, let's get started. The first step to saving money is changing your mindset. Many people believe that saving is only for those with high salaries, but that's not true. Track your expenses. Most people don't realize how much they spend on unnecessary things. Small savings add up. Even saving 50 rupees per day means 18,000 in a year. Think long-term. Saving money is not about restriction, it's about financial freedom. Comment below. What's one thing you waste money on but could cut back? Now, let's talk about practical strategies that will actually help you save money. Follow the 50-30-20 rule if possible. 50% for needs like rent, food and bills. 30% for wants like entertainment and shopping. 20% for savings and investments. But if you have a very low income, don't worry. Just focus on saving whatever you can, even if it's just 5% of your income to start with. Cut unnecessary expenses. Limit eating out. Cooking at home is cheaper and healthier. Cancel unused subscriptions like gym memberships and OTT platforms. Buy second-hand items. Clothes, furniture, and electronics can be much cheaper. Save on daily expenses. Use public transport or share rides instead of taking cabs. Buy groceries in bulk to get discounts. Use cashback and discount apps for online shopping. Reduce electricity and water bills. Use LED bulbs to cut electricity costs. Turn off appliances when not in use. Collect rainwater if possible for household use. Now, let's talk about how to actually save money without feeling the burden. First, use the envelope system. Keep cash in different envelopes for expenses like rent, food, and savings. Once an envelope is empty, stop spending from it. Next, automate your savings. Set up an auto transfer of 500 or 1000 rupees per month to a savings account. This way, you save before you spend. Also, start an emergency fund. Save at least 5,000 to 10,000 rupees for unexpected expenses. This prevents taking loans when emergencies arise. Lastly, invest in small ways. If possible, invest in recurring deposits, fixed deposits, or mutual funds (SIPs) starting at 500 rupees per month. Long-term investments help in wealth building. Saving is great, but increasing your income can make it even easier. Here are some simple ways you can earn extra money without quitting your job. Freelancing, like data entry, writing, or graphic design. Tutoring students online or offline. Selling handmade items or reselling products online. And part-time jobs like delivery services or home-based businesses. So, to sum up, change your mindset and track expenses. Cut unnecessary costs and save on daily expenses. Use smart saving methods like the envelope system and automation. Find ways to increase your income for better savings. Remember, saving money is not about how much you earn, it's about how wisely you manage what you have. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs these tips.